Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yasuddin. Welcome to my YouTube channel Softlink. In this lecture, I will introduce you to Microsoft Word 2016. What is Microsoft Word? It is an application software used for writing letters, applications, books, novels, etc. So you can write in many languages like English, Arabic, Urdu, etc. And Microsoft Word is developed by Microsoft Corporation USA. So how to open Microsoft Word? If you have Windows 10, so just type in the search box WORD. On top you will see Word 2016. Just click on it. Now it is the backstage of Microsoft Word 2016. On the top right corner, there are four buttons. The first button is close button. By clicking this button, the application will be closed. And the second button is maximize button or restore button. By clicking this button, the size of the document will contract first, and when you click it again, it will be stretched. The third button is minimize button. By clicking this button, the document will shrink down to the taskbar, and when you click here it again, it will be restored. The fourth button is Microsoft Word help. So you can get online help about Microsoft Word by clicking this button. Here, this box is search for online templates. So you can search thousands of templates online which are designed by Microsoft Word. For example, I want to search a template about certificate. So just type certificate here and press enter button or click on this search button. Now these templates are the result come out from the internet which are already designed by Microsoft. So you can edit it easily for your own purpose. You can open any one of these templates. For example, I want to open this template. So just click on it and then click on create. Now this template is here and you can edit it easily. For example, here I want to write something and so on. Now come back here on the backstage. Just below the search templates box, there are suggested searches which are business, cards, flyers, letters, education, resumes and cover letters, and holiday. So you can also search your templates by clicking one of these categories. For example, I want to click on cards. So now thousands of templates about cards are downloading here. So now you can see the beautiful designs about cards. And here there are more subcategories in cards, personals, event, and so on. Now click on home button. And the left side, there is a recent list of the documents that you have used recently. So you can open any document from this list. At the bottom, there is another option which is open other documents. So if your document is not available in the above list, you can open from here by clicking this button. Here the first document is a blank document. Document is a name for a file of Microsoft Word. If you want to open a blank document, so just click on this blank document. Now we have totally a blank document and we can write anything here in this document. In this window, on the top right corner, there are again four buttons. The close button, restore or maximize button, minimize button. But here the fourth button is different from the previous button that was on the backstage. It is ribbon display options. In ribbon display options, there are three options: auto hide ribbon, show tabs and commands. By clicking auto hide ribbon, the ribbon that was shown here before is now hidden and you have more space. Now click again here. The second option is show tabs. So now you can see only the tabs that are file, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review, and view. The third option is show tabs and commands. By clicking this option, now you can see the tabs as well as its commands. Each tab has its own commands. For example, the home tab is the following commands which is by default selected. Insert is the following commands, design, and each tab has its own different commands used for different purposes. Here this blue bar is called the title bar. Title is the name given to the document of the Microsoft Word. So as we have not saved this document, so by default its name is document 1. Whenever we save the document by giving any name, though the name that we have given to the document will be shown here. On the left side of the title bar, this area is called the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar has already some commands. The first command is save. By clicking this command, you can save your document and your computer hard drive. The second option is cannot do, that will reverse your work. Third option is cannot repeat, and the fourth option is open. Here is a button. By clicking this button you will see a list, so you can add or remove options to the quick access toolbar. For example, I want to add the email option to the quick access toolbar, so click on email. So you can now see the email option in the quick access toolbars. And if you want to remove it again, so just click on this option, it will be removed. Microsoft Word is 9 tabs, which are from File tab to View tab. The first tab is File tab, and in the File tab there are different options: Information, New, Open, Save, Save as, Print, Share, Export, Close, Account, and Options. Now go back by clicking here. By default, the Home tab is selected, and this area, it is called Ribbon, and just below the ribbon there is a ruler which is called the horizontal ruler, and it shows the width of the page. The shaded area is actually the area in which we cannot write, and in the white area it is started from here and ended here, so we can write from here to here. And these are the margins: the right margin, top margin, left margin, and the bottom margin. These are the spaces which are blank, so we can increase or decrease the size of the margins, which I will show you in the next video. And this ruler is vertical ruler, which shows us the height of the page in inches. Now this page is 6.5 inches width, in which we can write, and the total width of the page is actually, in addition, 1 inch is here, this margin, and 1 inch is here at the left margin. So 6.5 plus 2 is equal to 8.5. Now the total width of this page is 8.5, and height of this page is actually started from here, 1, 8, 9 inches is the white space, and 2 inches are the shaded, so total 11 inches is the height of this page. This area, the white area, is called the workspace, in which we can write or draw anything. At the right side there is a scroll bar. By dragging this scroll bar we can move up and down the document. And here at the bottom there is a bar which is called the status bar, which shows us the status of the entire document. Now this document has total 1 page, and we are here in page number 1, and the number of words is total 239, and the language is which is used here is English United States. At right side of the status bar there are more options which are read mode. When I click on read mode, so the document will be converted only to the read mode, and we cannot write something here. The next option is print layout. Now it is ready for print, and we can also write something here. Third option is web layout, which is just like a web page. So by default is the print layout option selected. Here is the zoom slider. The default size of the zooming is 100%. By clicking plus button we can zoom in, and by clicking minus button we can zoom out. You can also drag the slider to the right or left, and at the center there is 100%, which is by default and normal size. So I hope that you have learned it, and if there is any problem, so you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.